Hello and welcome to my channel. For recipes and instructions, see bottom page. This roasted butternut squash soup is the perfect balance of sweet, savory and cozy. Roasting the squash and onions deepens their flavor, while maple syrup, cinnamon and nutmeg add a warm seasonal touch. Topped with crunchy croutons and delicate microgreens, is as elegant as it is comforting, ideal for cozy night in or a dinner party starter. Like and subscribe. Instruction: cut the squash where the round part begins. Peel each section. It's easier with a peeler. Scoop out the seeds from the round part and discard them. Dice the squash into smaller pieces. Cut the onions into a large square in a medium pot. Add the squash, onions and olive oil. Stir to coat, then roast over medium-low heat until lightly golden and fragrant. Add the vegetable stock, cinnamon stick and grated nutmeg. Cover. Simmer for an hour on low-medium heat. Remove the cinnamon stick and add the sea salt, white pepper and maple syrup. Blend until silky smooth using a hand blender or countertop blender. Return to a low heat, cover partially, and simmer for another 30 minutes until slightly thickened. Ladle into a bowl, top with the crunchy crouton and a few microgreens, and serve warm. Bon appetit! Thank you.